The whole of Jamaica sick. I'm gonna ask you. Every turn you turn, everybody have flu. Left, right, middle, everywhere. Everybody have flu. How are really going? Can someone tell me what is happening? This is not normal.
Yeah, the things that what you say, my people. More than one videos me see from different persons posting on social media saying somewhat similar things, you know, my people. You see me I say? Yeah, persons sick within the country of Jamaica with flu in January, the year 2022. Anyways, my people, big up and respect. I'm here again. Big up to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers, and I have some videos I want to talk to you about. Alright, so now the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers. This video is going to show when a police officer put someone in the back of a police service vehicle and the person was in handcuffs. Now the police officer said some harsh language to at least one person during the video. You see what I say? And more I take a look at this video and tell me what I think. Alright, my people. Alright, so here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe with me.
Keep the money in his face, brother.
Badness.
That man just seeking out flu, you know, on the roadside, he be there.
Yeah, the flu again, you know, people. You hear that?
Blood clot on them, killing in front of camera. We have that live on camera. We have that live on camera.
You hear it?
Yeah.
You hear that, my people? Harsh words. Harsh words. Straight up and down, I'm going to be real, you know? That police officer's action was unprofessional. Yeah, unprofessional. That's what I say. I don't know if somebody angered him or what, you see. But anyways, that's just my opinion. You can tell me what you think. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, I'm not even sure how to explain this. But my understanding is that this video shows a situation where a female let a man know that he lied about his age. And in my point of view, it seems as if the man was trying to impress her or something. I am not sure. You understand? Yeah, maybe by telling her that he's younger when he's not. You know what I mean? But who knows? Yes, maybe he's actually in his 30s for real. But anyways, take a look at this video and tell me what you think. Oh, and harsh language I'll be using in this video. So please bear that in mind. Observe with me.
You're too fucking lie. You don't look at dear under 55 and you come tell me say you're 33. Tell me say you're going to pay for me here now you don't have the money. You're too fucking lie. Too wicked and lie, man.
I mean wicked and lie. Helping you out. I'm wicked.
Help who out?
Huh?
You can't help me out and you can't pay for me here?
What?
Can't pay for the year? Because you're too wicked and lie. I'm going to show people say you lie. Boy, you're 33. You don't look at the under 55. Have a good night and lock your own door. Lock yourself.
I tell you.
Oh, you help me, sir? Old as hell, boy, you're 33. Boy, you're 33. Liar.
Big man, for staying at them age range, if you understand what I mean. You know what I mean? Nah, be disrespectful, but you know, when they reach a certain age, yeah, stay in the age range. I hope you understand what I say. See? Anyways, my people, talk about that video. Tell me what you think. And watch this now. Because I have another video I present to you. So this video shows that a Rasta man was singing a song at a certain place where Christians was at. You see me? I said, no, I don't know if the man was at some form of ceremony or what, I'm not sure, but this Rasta man really and truly took the microphone and him started to say some words that him considered him to be singing. I don't know what to tell the people, so you tell me what you think about that video, because this video, tell me if that video funny or not. Yeah, basically that's what you tell me. Tell me if this video is funny or not. Alright? Observe with me.
Rip them.
Rhythm.
Bass and drum and thing, man.
Yeah, yeah, that.
Jesus love me, say this I know, me say. From me head, me say, from me toe, me say. Jesus love me, say this I know, me say. From me head, me say, from me toe, me say. Alright, come, one more. Alright, come. Hey, come.
The people, I went there. Me, I wonder if I church him there. It's like me, I wonder which part him there do this. Is it me I say, cause I know most church, you know. And the man could be in a church and do these things. So me I say, but watch this, cause the man on the other side is like him not to agree with the things that he's somewhat singing. You see me, listen, just look at this video, observe.
Yeah, go on with it. Jesus love me, say Jesus love me, say. From me head, me say, from me toe, me say. Jesus love me, say Jesus love. Alright, yeah, Jesus love me. Jesus love me, say Jesus.
Chuck man. Alright, that's somewhat insulting. Straight up and down. That is insulting. Is what I say. Listen, me have the longer version to this video, still not viewing subscribers. I have the longer version to it, and it's like basically the man has sing some things, you know, I sing some Rastafari song, like him I say, me a Rasta and man on a ballad or something like that, as I say. And it's like the person who stand beside him in the video, I don't really agree with them things there. You know, at that place, being sing by that man or sung by that man, you know what I mean? But anyways, my people just make you know about that video. They may have more things to talk to you about, isn't it? So, we see a video that shows Shensia and a female who goes by the name of Barbara on social media. Yeah, a tall female. This is Shensia with the dolly looking just, you know, looking good. You understand me? I say, yeah. What Shensia did by being in a video with that female who goes by the name of Barbara, I respect that. Yes, I say, yeah, I respect that. And I also see a video circulating on social media that shows when a female had been pinned between a car and a bus somewhere within the country of Jamaica. Yeah, it really rough. The female was pinned between a car and a bus. See? Now, I did my research to try and find out if the female alright. And according to information that I got, it is said that the female was somewhat injured. The person didn't really give me the confirmed information about the person's injury, but it said that the female was injured. And you know, people come together and try to, well, they actually get her out of the situation where she was pinned between a car and a bus. My people, take it as me tell you, it was not a pretty video to look at. You understand? And I also saw a video circulating on social media that shows when a woman repeatedly hit a man with a weapon. Now, that weapon would look like a very big knife or a half of machete or a mini machete. You see me, I say, my people? Now, I got some unconfirmed information about that situation, my people. See? Unconfirmed information means to say that the things that I'm about to say might not be accurate and overall might not be the truth. You understand? Now, one information that I got is that the man was saying some bad things to the woman and the woman retaliated by attacking the man with the weapon. You see what I say? That's an unconfirmed information. And I also got another unconfirmed information that the man bad drive the woman and then I give her disrespectful talk or saying disrespectful things to the woman, and she retaliated by attacking him with the weapon. Remember, my people, them things there are unconfirmed information. Yes, I say, but the video is being talked about on social media, so I make you know about the video. See? I give you the information I got about the video. I can't really show the video because I tell her she whap him up bad. You understand? Alright, so I got the understanding that the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who goes by the name of Andrew Holness, emotionally talk about crime and violence at a gathering that happened somewhere within the country of Jamaica. You see? Yeah, my people, the Prime Minister talk about an incident where 2 brothers had been killed in Westmoreland, Jamaica. You see? I think I did a video about that. You see? And he also talked about the 10-year-old child who had been shot and killed. You see me? Goes by the last name of Tyrell, I think. Yeah. You see me? I say, but the people, and I real, you know, me listen to the things when I'm saying, I'm going to point out certain things. You see? Because watch this now. Andrew Holness did some state of emergency thing and so forth, try to fight the crime and violence and so on. You understand? And you have politicians, members of parliament. See? I mean, I'm going to say whether they're PNP or JLP. See me I say, but members of parliament goes against the measures that Andrew Holness was trying to do to fight the crime and violence within the country. Jamaica. See? Now, if any politician during election time point out the amount of persons that had been killed or murdered during the time when JLP was in power or Andrew Holness was the prime minister, then in my point of view, anyone who said that should be ashamed of his or herself as a politician. You understand? Because this whole politics thing so that someone can become the leader or a party can become the leader of Jamaica. See me I say, really and truly is good, but the crime and violence in my point of view exceed all of them, the things, them people. Whatever see me I say. See? So every politician to come together and try to make sure that the crime and violence control in Jamaica. See? But I just some politics thing and legal laws and all these things and them things, them people. So my things them want to say me really and truly can't say it yourself, them people. Me I tell you the truth because me no want go overboard and me wrong. And at the same time, me see some things will happen. Me see it. You see me I say? So all politicians should come together and start do what them to do as one. And no bother with the political thing when it comes down to crime and violence in Jamaica. Straight up and down. See? All of them to work together as one. See? My people, I'm going to fit this, you know. I'm going to fit right this. So big up and respect each and everyone. And until next time, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm going to big up. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall skilla.